Generate scratching samples from any file. Introducing SampleScratcher. You might have heard this sample before. It's one of the most popular samples to scratch with. So let's try it with this one first. Okay, I'll select a part which the tool will use to scratch with. And now I enable continue playback to actually play through the whole sample after the scratch is done. You can set your project's BPM to make sure it's the same as your project tempo. You can enable vinyl noise to scratch with noise on the vinyl record, and a humanize feature to make sure every generated sample is scratched a little bit differently. You can also change the beat duration of every loop. We've analyzed lots of people scratching and created a whole library of classic scratch curves that you can now use to scratch with on any source. Okay, let's use it on my voice right now. SampleScratcher. As you can hear, this is of course not a nice area to scratch with, so let's select another part. SampleScratcher. 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 Of course, when you found a sample or loop you like, you can download it and it will be ready to put in your project. Of course, it can do a backspin. You just have to select a bigger area to do the backspin with, go to the backspin preset and generate it and put it before your drop. Go to SampleScratcher.com, try it out, it's free, but with a limited amount of downloads per day. And if you want unlimited downloads, you can of course buy an unlimited account. Let me know in the comments what you think and have a nice day.